You know, I am a buckwheat queen and I want to show you a recipe that I'm going to improvise today because I actually don't use carbohydrates for myself at all. But for you, those ones that like rice and pasta and other sources of carbohydrates, and now you want to lose weight and you are thinking, but I don't want to cut it out of my diet immediately. So let's look. When you take 1 cup of buckwheat, you basically prepare it in the same way as you would rice. So then you need 2 cups of water, 1 and 2. And I soaked some porcini mushrooms, so I'm going to add there also some porcini mushrooms. You boil buckwheat for 25 minutes and then you let it sit. And I want it to have even some flavor, so I'm going to use the chicken stock. So I put there 2 spoons of the chicken stock, and that's basically all for me, and I will show you how to plate it up.